What is this? Oh, my nail's not even dry. Ooh. It's cracked. I'm about to just give up. Oh, yo.
What? You mean your homie died, you outside and you ain't slide yet? I got Corona, said she don't got him, and shorty said she alone. I would've gave him all her, but I ain't a donor. When I seen her the first time, I said I want her. You a bad chick, and she staying Fashion Nova.
Kinda smoky in here.
These are the nail tips they gave me. 70% off. Okay. Love that. The first thing I'm gonna do is, it wasn't in the instructions. Ooh, my hands are mad ashy right now because I just washed them. I already prepped my nails, I already pushed back my cuticles. So I'm gonna use some primer. It's not in the steps, but you wanna use some primer so these nails last a little longer, respectfully. And I'm just gonna put the primer on. Ooh. Nah, I swear to God, if I burn myself, I'm just putting the primer all on my nail. This smells like garbage. Yo, ow. This stuff burns, yo. This is nothing to play with. Why is my hand shaking, yo? Alright, so I'm gonna follow the instructions, but I'm also like fake do my own thing. So we're gonna use the base coats, and I'm gonna just put that on all my nails, and we're gonna cure it. Oh shoot, it's at a thin layer, and I applied the most thickest layer of my life. It don't look like I got much variety. Oh, let me see my nails. My nails not even dry. Oh, yo, hold on. We got these dual forms, like I said before. It looks like they only put like 10 in here. Oh, it's by size. Okay, if I can open it. Oh, shit. Here we go. All right, so I'm gonna find my sizes. I should have put the base coat on after I picked my sizes and all that. I'm gonna take the slip solution. I'm gonna put it in this dapping dish that I got off of Amazon. Hello? Like, why is it coming out so bad? I'm guessing this is like alcohol. So I got some in here. It didn't give me like the little spatula thing I always see people use. So I got this like cuticle pusher thing, and I'm gonna just use this side. I think I'm gonna use soft pink, or should I use pure white? Oh no, I think I'm gonna go with white. I'm gonna dip this in some slip solution. I don't really know what that did, but so basically all I gotta do is put some on the polygel nail and place it on a dual form that fits my size. So I have one nail right here. I'm gonna just take some like that. Ooh, this is not what I thought it was gonna be. And I'm gonna just put it on here. F that. I'm gonna just put it on like that. Nah, I'm bugging. So it's on the nail, and all I gotta do is flatten it out. Okay, so now I'm supposed to just put it on my nail. Yeah, let's see. Hold on. What? Oh, it's oozing. It's not supposed to do that. Hold on. Let me clean it up. Cleanup process is not hard. So I'm supposed to just put it down like this. Once I've cleaned it, now since it's on, shoot, I'm gonna just cure it respectfully. What else can I do? Oh, look, it's not even staying on. I don't think this was the right nail form. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. It keep leaking from the sides. Is it supposed to do that? Let's just put it in the thing. Stuff never goes my way, bro. Why does it look like that? So we're gonna wiggle it back and forth. Hello? Stop coming off. It's cracked. Let me zoom in a little bit so y'all can see. What the? This is not what it was giving. But I'm gonna show you my mistakes, cause hey, we're gonna do this again. I'm gonna take this nail off. Oh, can I reuse these dual forms?
Kinda smoky in here.
Exactly the same as the first one. So respectfully, I'm about to just give up. What is this? Oh, what is this?
He needs some milk.
I don't understand. I don't even want to do this anymore. Yo, fuck Polygel, bro. What is this? Let me try another nail. Let me show y'all something. Like, why is it so... Is it too thin? Okay, let's see if I do it thicker. Same thing with my wig video, yo. Like, it's like people don't tell you how hard this stuff is. Hate this. I do. Like, I actually do. I don't think I've ever hated anything as much as I hate this right now. And it's mad late. Like, nobody feel like going through this. You know, some stuff isn't for certain people. I feel like this isn't for me. And that's fine. It's not even supposed to be oozing out the sides. I might as well just go all out with this one. I know I'm doing too much. Okay. I'm not posting this. Are you dumb? I already know how it's gonna look. When I take this off, it looks crazy. It's quiet. I'm taking it off and I'm just gonna do something else in my life. Yo! Okay, this one fake look better. Just, what the? Why? How do it be cracking? Respectfully, I don't have the time or the patience. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. What is this?
This is not okay.
I think I'm gonna just stick to acrylic nails. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Acrylic nails, I got it down pat. So it is day 2. I picked different nail sizes. We're just gonna start over. I'm gonna start with my pinky and we're gonna just do our thing. I seen this girl apply slip solution to the nail. If you don't have slip solution, don't go out and buy it. Use some regular alcohol. Place it? No. Yo, y'all don't even understand how bad I want this to work, yo. Oh! Yo! Almost fell on my chair, son. No, I'm not doing this. I tried. I don't know. I don't know if it was because I'm off camera, but yo, don't this nail look like it's gonna come off good? I'm gonna take it off. I mean, it's not perfect, but it don't look too bad. I think I picked the wrong nail size. I'm guessing I need a bigger nail size. But it look like it fits, so I don't understand. Hey, it don't look too bad. I'm gonna clean it up. Obviously, we got a file. So, of course, now since I know I'm on camera, it's gonna mess up again. But, like, I'm really determined. Ooh, yikes. And I'm shaking them with this nail file 180 grits. Get all this off if I can. If I can't, I'll use a nail drill. This nail is messed up, so ooh, yikes. Okay, from afar, this nail's coming off. Look.
Oh!
Somebody! Oh!
He needs some milk!
You serious, yo? Oh my god. Valentine's Day. This one I'm recording it, almost Valentine's Day. With the little love, with the little flowers, and I put some little diamonds. Can't see about it feels like this. So yeah, that's it for the video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn your post notifications on so you guys are notified the next time I post. And I'm gonna see you on my next video. I'm out.
Bye.